Ever wondered where those mysterious companies behind your favorite apps and services are actually located? Well, today, we're on a digital treasure hunt to uncover the home of Paysend, the global money transfer platform that's making sending money across borders a breeze. So, what is Paysend, exactly? It's a fintech company that's revolutionized the way we send money internationally. But where does this innovative company call home? Let's dive in and find out. Part 1, The Paysend Mystery. Teaser: before we reveal the location, let's play a little detective game. Think about what factors might influence a company's choice of location. Is it a tech hub? A financial center? Or perhaps a place with a strategic geographic advantage? Audience engagement: pause for a moment and let the audience ponder their guesses. Clues: now, let's drop a few clues. Paysend operates in over 170 countries and territories worldwide. It's known for its fast, secure, and affordable money transfers. And it has a strong focus on emerging markets. Build suspense: keep the audience guessing with dramatic music and sound effects. Part 2, The Reveal. Drumroll: after all the suspense, it's time to unveil the answer. Paysend is headquartered in, dramatic pause, London, United Kingdom. Explanation: why London? Well, it's a global financial capital with a thriving tech scene. It's also well connected to major markets around the world. Visuals show images of London, its iconic landmarks, and the Paysend headquarters. Part 3, Behind the Scenes. Interview: conduct a brief interview with a Paysend representative or employee. Ask them about the company culture, the team, and what it's like to work in London. Office tour: if possible, get permission to show a quick tour of the Paysend office. Highlight the modern workspace, collaborative areas, and any unique features. Employee testimonials: share testimonials from employees about their experiences working at Paysend. What do they love about the company and its location? Part 4, The Future of Paysend. Discussion: discuss Paysend's future plans and goals. Where do they see the company heading in the next few years? Are there any exciting new products or services on the horizon? Audience engagement: encourage viewers to share their thoughts and questions in the comments section. Summarize the key points of the video. Paysend is a global fintech company headquartered in London. It offers fast, secure, and affordable money transfers. Invite viewers to learn more about Paysend on their website or social media channels. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of fintech.